All right, hello everyone. Um, Thank you for joining me on this edition of another tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can have your own hosting using Hostinger. But the simple question I want us to ask first is Hostinger the only hosting plan in the world? No, Hostinger is not the only plan. But to me, in my own opinion, so far I have been using Hostinger for years, let's say 3 years. And over these past 3 years, I have never had to complain, right? I've never had to have any concern. As a matter of fact, if I have any concern, I get quick response. All right. I get quick response. Their customer support are on point, their services are on point, their payment system is on point, right? And so there's something I know I also enjoy. Take for instance, I think one of those days I was going to make my renewal. One of the times I wanted to renew my hosting, and then my card was malfunctioning. I was going to renew the exact day my hosting was going to expire, but my card was malfunctioning. My bank and my card, whatever, something was just not right. And what I did was I reached out to the Hostinger support team, and I pleaded for an extension of 7 days grace for me to have this sorted out. Guys, guess what? This 7 days was given, right? And for me, I was so surprised because as much as I know I also use other hosting, right, for some of my clients. And that's because in a situation where a particular client said they cannot afford Hostinger, it's fine. I have other options. I suggest that to them, right? But for me, my A-list hosting is Hostinger, right? And that's because, like I said, I've been with them for over 3 years and I've not had any reason to complain, and I enjoy their services, right? I'd rather pay for something that will give me peace of mind rather than paying for something that is cheap and in the end I have to keep going back and forth. Right. I just want my peace of mind. And so today I'm going to show you what I'm enjoying in Hostinger and also how you can get at least a minimum of 60% discounts on your first subscription, right? And also how you can get a 1 year free domain on your hosting package. All right. So this is what you do. First of all, I want you to go ahead and click the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. And this, is because whenever we drop any other video, you'll be the first to be informed. So without much talk, let's get straight into it. In the comment section below or in the description box, you will see this link, right? This link. Please make sure to use this link. Click on this link, all right? This link, I'm going to drop it in the description box. Click on this link, all right? And then it will take you straight to this interface, right? It will take you straight to this interface, either with your laptop or with your mobile device. It's not a problem, okay? So, but it will take you to this interface, right? So what you want to do is to make sure you scroll down, all right? You scroll down, as you can see, it's already on web hosting, all right? And what you want to make sure you do is try to make sure you pick manage hosting for WordPress, manage hosting for WordPress. And this is on 48 months. So what this means is you're going to be paying for the next 3 years subscription, right? If you know you have that big budget. So what that means for the next 3 years, this is what you'll be paying, 188,000 naira. If you know you have that big budget and you want to pay for 3 years, please go ahead. All right. It means that for the next 3 years, you're not going to have anything to worry about renewal. Okay. And it is certain that for the next 3 years, you definitely would have made back your money to be able to renew before the expiration. All right. So that being said, but for this tutorial, this is single plan, all right? You have 78% off, and this is the most popular plan. You have 79% off, and this is the plan we are going to be using. This is the plan we are going to subscribe to, Reason is simple. Now look at this. It has AI website builder and whatever AI agent for WordPress. As you can see, this does not have that. This is what we want to make sure you have. It would definitely help you. For instance, I have that on my own website. All right, I have that on my website. I currently have that also on my client's website I'm working on. Right, as you can see, if you look at this, right, see it. I'm currently working on a client's website. This is on a test domain. All right, as you can see, this is it on a test domain. I'm currently working on. So if we go to the homepage, so this is it, right? I am currently working on a client. Yeah, so guys, this is it. As you can see, I'm working on a client's e-commerce website, right? So for me, I'm enjoying that, the AI feature on this website. All right. So back to our tutorial. So you want to make sure you pick this plan. Okay. You want to make sure you pick this plan. But at the same time, here's what I would suggest. Just go for 12 months. All right, make sure you pick 12 months. So what that means is for the next 12 months, for 1 year, this is what you are paying: 66,240 naira. 66,240 naira. And of course, that comes with 50 websites. It means that you can also choose to say, okay, you have one or two persons, or tomorrow you have other websites. Say tomorrow you have another business idea and you need a website. You don't need to pay for another hosting. You can host as many websites, as much as 50 websites on this, right? And of course, 5 credit vibe coding credit. All right. Trust me, this is really huge. You have 5 gig NVMe storage. This is massive, guys. This is massive. And of course, see other options and see other features you get to enjoy on this plan. All right. So as like I said earlier, AI website builder for Elementor and Gutenberg, it's not here. But of course, the AI agent is not here as well. And of course, see, you will see most popular, right? The fact that they say most popular doesn't mean you should go ahead with it, right? So this is the option we are going with. This is the option we are going with. And now, so you go ahead and click on choose plan. Click on choose plan and wait for it to load. You wait for it to load. All right. Just hold on. Oh, awesome. Awesome. So now we still have 12 months, right? Now we want to go ahead and pick our domain. As you can see here, the total we are paying is 66,240 naira. All right. So now you scroll down. Once you get to this um, dashboard, make sure you just scroll down and you pick a domain name. The domain name would be www dot whatever the name of your business.com. All right, but here let's stick to, let's say, richardson tyt.com. Right, so we are searching for Richardson tyt. So it is free, it's available. Guys, you can see 0 naira for first year. You are not paying a penny, guys. This is really awesome. So you go ahead and add, and as you can see, you will see here your total is now. Why do you have this change? It's because it is asking you to pick for 2 years, but you know what? Just go back and change it to 1 year and then wait to see what will show here. Still the same figure. There is no addition, there's no subtraction. But if you feel, you can go ahead and pay for 2 years, or you can go ahead and pay for 3 years. This is if you are paying 2 years for that domain, that means you are paying 1 year extra. We are paying this extra. All right. Or you feel you can go ahead and pay for 3 years. That means you are paying that 30,000, that 61,000 extra to whatever you have. So 61,000 to this. That is exactly what that means. So, but for this tutorial, we are going with 1 year plan, and the 1 year plan is free. You are not paying anything. You are paying nothing. All right. So now this is what you are saving: 76,560 naira, guys. This is really huge. All right. So because you're using my referral code, you are getting that huge discount. All right. And of course, what you do next is you go ahead and click on continue. So it means make sure you have this amount in your card, right? Okay, so now we've gotten to where we need to create an account. And of course, you go ahead and enter an email address, you enter your password, You enter your email address, you enter your password, and then you click on register. Once you do that, it will take you to where you need to enter your card details. But guys, like I said again, please make sure you have at least say a 60, say a 70,000 available. Why? Because of tax. You definitely be taxed, right? But it does not mean you will be debited 70,000. No, no, not at all. That doesn't mean you'll be debited 70,000, right? So, but that is just all for this tutorial, and that is how you can get this huge discount. This is just a one-off thing, a once a year payment, once a year. After that, nothing else. Hostinga will not ask you to pay for something else. All right. But if you're seeing this email marketing, whatever, and like that, please ignore it. It's not compulsory, it's not mandatory. All right. As you can see here, it says this is for, let's say you have an e-commerce shop and you want to add email marketing. All right. So it is not mandatory. Okay. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, please go ahead and drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to drop your comment. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye for now.